We are ready to have our urban population value per the formula that we have entered here. So let me click enter and see how it goes. Boom, here we are. Now Google Sheet is suggesting an autofill for us. So let me accept. Okay, so we have all our the column filled up. All the figures are in there. Now if you go in there, this is a cell R4. R4 is showing, you can see the references um, showing C4 and then D4, which means that the proper thing has been done. Okay, so now that we have this, let's go and look at what the next step is, and then we follow accordingly. Remember, like I said, you are using the slides to do this work. So you move one step, you have to take guidance from the slides, and then you go on. Now here we are asked to um, add an additional sheet, which we are going to name Global 2020 Report. Now here we are going to determine the total urban population from our data set using the newly created POP-U value, that is the urban population value feature. So let's get into it, and then let's go and see how we can be able to do that. Okay, let's see how we can be able to do that. Now if you read through a little bit, say we know that the estimated world urban population in 2020 was 55% of the total population. Let's estimate how many people that would be for will be. Let's estimate how many people that would be from the world population of 7.821 billion in our global 2020 report sheet. So we are being asked to first look at the global population as at 2020. So we note it down, and then we'll calculate what that 55% also will be. And then we also note that one down. Meanwhile, we use our data set to find what our data set urban population will be, and what the national population per our own data will also be. So let's quickly zoom in into that and then see how that one also goes. So here, let me see if I can move this thing. This is interfering with my work. So I put it somewhere. So here, we add a sheet here, which we are going to name. So you double click and you are able to change the name. Now, so we say Global 2020 report. This is it. So we have it ready. Now let's see what we are being asked to do. So in this one, we want the 2020 national population, then we come here, we have the 2020 urban population, These are all the estimated values. So we'll come back in the next video to calculate all the figures into them. All right, thank you.